I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder, where we climb one useful Korean rung at a time.
안녕하세요. 하나입니다. 오늘도 맛있는 한국어로 시작해요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. Today we go beyond just spicy and sweet.
Here's my restaurant problem. I know, 매워요 and 달아요, but my Korean friends say 국물이 얼큰하다, 생선이 담백하다, and 양념치킨이 매콤달콤하다. What am I missing?
좋은 질문이에요. Korean taste words often describe the feeling of the food, not just the basic flavor.
Today's core set is 얼큰하다, 칼칼하다, 담백하다, 고소하다, 느끼하다, and 매콤달콤하다. The key is matching each word with the right kind of dish.
Frame first. We are not memorizing 6 dictionary labels. We are learning food pairings Koreans actually use.
First, 얼큰하다. It describes a spicy broth or soup that feels hot, hearty, and warming. You often hear it with 국물, 찌개, 탕, or 해장국.
국물이 얼큰해요. In English, the broth is pleasantly spicy and warming. This is usually praise.
So, 얼큰하다 is not just spicy. It feels like a deep spicy soup that warms you up.
Right. Now, 칼칼하다. This is a sharper, cleaner, spicy feeling. Almost a little tingle in the throat. It feels more pointed than 얼큰하다.
라면 국물이 칼칼해요. In English, the ramen broth has a sharp spicy kick.
Use the contrast like this. 얼큼하다 feels round and hearty. 칼칼하다 feels sharp and clean.
Next, 담백하다. This means clean, light, not oily, and not too strongly seasoned. It is often a compliment for savory food.
So, 담백해요 is not the same as bland. It can be positive.
Exactly. Bland is 싱겁다 when there is not enough salt or flavor. 담백하다 means the flavor is clean and balanced.
이 생선은 담백해서 좋아요. In English, this fish is clean and light, so I like it.
Now, 고소하다. This is nutty, roasted, sesame-like, or gently savory. Think sesame oil, toasted beans, nuts, and sometimes crispy pancakes.
참기름 향이 고소해요. In English, the sesame oil aroma is nutty and savory.
고소하다 feels like sesame, roasted beans, or that savory smell from a crispy onion.
Next is 느끼하다. This means greasy, oily, too rich or heavy. It is usually not a compliment.
조금 느끼해요 means it is a little too rich or greasy. You can soften the comment with 조금.
Good to know. I should not tell the chef. 느끼해요, like it is praise.
Last, 매콤달콤하다. The base taste word is 매콤달콤, spicy sweet. And in a sentence you usually say 매콤달콤해요.
양념치킨이 매콤달콤해요. In English, the seasoned fried chicken is spicy sweet.
Wait, the taste word is 매콤달콤, but the sentence is 매콤달콤해요.
Yes, 매콤달콤 is the taste description. 매콤달콤하다 is the adjective form, and 매콤달콤해요 is the polite sentence form.
Now let's use the words in a short restaurant-style exchange. Listen for which word matches which dish. 이 찌개 국물 진짜 얼큰하네요.
네, 칼칼해서 밥이랑 잘 어울려요.
생선은 담백하고 나물은 고소해요.
양념치킨은 매콤달콤해서 계속 먹게 돼요.
I heard 찌개 with 얼큰하다 and 칼칼하다. Fish with 담백하다. Greens with 고소하다. And chicken with 매콤달콤하다.
Good. One ordering phrase is 얼큰한 국물로 추천해 주세요. Please recommend something with a hearty, spicy broth.
Notice 얼큰하다 becomes 얼큰한 before a noun. 얼큰한 국물 means a hearty, spicy broth.
Let me try. 얼큰한 국물로 추천해 주세요.
좋아요. One pronunciation note. 국물 is written 국물. But in natural speech, it sounds like 군물. So, 국물로 sounds like 군물로.
Now try a compliment. 이 생선 담백해서 맛있어요. This fish is clean and light, so it is delicious.
이 생선 담백해서 맛있어요.
완벽해요. For ordering, you can ask 너무 느끼하지 않은 걸로 추천해 주세요. Please recommend something that is not too greasy or rich.
너무 느끼하지 않은 걸로 추천해 주세요. That one feels very useful.
Common mistake time. English speakers sometimes say 매운 달콤해요, trying to say spicy sweet. That is not natural.
use 매콤달콤해요. 매운 means spicy before a noun and 달콤해요 means sweet. But the fixed taste word is 매콤, 달콤해요.
So for 떡볶이, sauce, I should say. 소스가 매콤달콤해요. Not 매운 달콤해요.
맞아요. Another mistake is using 담백하다 for dessert too broadly. For a not too sweet dessert, 많이 달지 않아요 is usually more natural.
담백하다 fits clean, savory foods better, like fish, tofu, chicken breast, or clear soup.
Okay, quiz me. I'm ordering lunch, and I want soup that is warming and spicy, not a cream-heavy dish.
The answer is A. 얼큰한 국물로 추천해 주세요. Asks for a hearty, spicy broth. B. Asks for a clean, light broth. And C. Asks for greasy broth, which sounds strange as a request.
Second quiz. Your friend says the cream pasta is too rich, but you want to be polite and soft. Which one works best?
I think A. 조금 느끼해요. 조금 softens the negative word.
Correct? 고소해요 would mean nutty or savory, and 매콤달콤해요 means spicy sweet. They do not describe heavy creaminess.
Third quiz. You taste sesame oil in a vegetable side dish. Which compliment is most natural?
Answer A. 고소해요 is the natural complement for sesame, roasted beans, nuts, and that gentle savory aroma.
정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 얼큰하다는 국물에 자주 써요. In English, 얼큼하다 means a hearty, warming spiciness, especially in broth.
둘째, 카카라다는 더 날카롭고 깔끔한 매운맛이에요. In English, it is a sharp, clean, spicy kick, often in ramen or spicy broth.
셋째, 담백하다는 싱겁다는 뜻이 아니에요. In English, 담백하다 is clean and light, not bland. 싱겁다 means under-seasoned.
넷째, 고소하다는 참기름이나 깨처럼 고소한 맛이고 느끼하다는 기름지고 무거운 맛이에요. In English, 고소하다 is nutty savory and 느끼하다 is greasy or too rich.
그리고 매콤달콤하다는 하나의 맛 표현으로 기억하세요. In English, do not say 매운 달콤해요. Say 매콤달콤해요.
Keeper sentence time. 얼큰한 국물로 추천해 주세요. Please recommend something with a hearty spicy broth.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 얼큰한 국물로 추천해 주세요. Next time, we will tune your ordering requests even more precisely.
맛 표현이 정확해지면 식당 대화가 훨씬 자연스러워져요. Ava, Shuno, and I will see you on the next run.